me the Benz or the Bentley. What? Give me the Benz or the Bentley. What? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, guys? So yes, I am using this today. This is the RIT Dye More in the synthetic super pink synthetic fiber dye. It's good for polyester, nylon, and it is an acrylic paint. Okay, so I got this from Michaels. Okay, so all my supplies are going to be from Michaels. This is the pink that it is. I really hope that it turns out good. I've seen other people using these, so I was like, I'm gonna use it too, because basically I'm gonna go from white to pink, because I wanted this top in pink because it's a pink photo shoot that I want to do. So I need pink. An online store didn't have any more pink, so I said I'm gonna make it myself. Okay, so all the instructions are here. So I did get the textile medium. This is the Delta Creative textile medium. What does it do? Transform serum coat acrylic paint into permanent, flexible, and washable fabric paint. It stops your paint from bleeding, and I'll be using these two products and a bucket and some water, and I'm gonna have some gloves. So this is the top that I am trying to dye. It is a cute peasant corset top. It's from Kirby Sense. I got a size 3X, and it is all white. But again, I don't want it to be all white. Like, it does have chiffon or satin, whatever that is. But I really want to dye this because I don't want it white. So let's get to it. Hey guys, I have some water boiling in the pot. Okay. Okay guys, so I am going to pour the dye into the boiling water. I really don't want to pour all of it because I don't want it like super pink, you know. I don't want it super pink, so I'm not gonna pour all of it. Okay guys, so here you want to submerge your item in water or wash it before you dye it, because basically this takes off the coating of the product. It takes the coating off of this item, and that way the dye can adhere more efficiently. So that's what I'm doing here. Just, you know, getting it wet, super wet, soaking wet, so that it can take the dye properly. Okay, so I am in my bathtub, and I do have the item there, and I have the water here. Okay, it is super hot. Okay, so it's definitely too damn pink for me. I really wanted a light pink. Oh my god, this is like extremely pink. I really wanted a light pink. This is way too pink for my liking. I don't know, I just wanted I did put the textile medium in there, guys, off camera. This thing is super hot. I don't know how people, I guess I gotta get a spoon or something. But I just want to make sure it's submerged. I'm glad I didn't put the whole entire bottle in there. But yeah, and you have to use rubber gloves, guys. I have it here soaking for, well, I set the timer for 30 minutes. When it finishes, we're gonna see what happens. And I still have like this much, left of the of this, okay, of the RIT Dye More, because I didn't use the whole thing. Okay guys, 30 minutes has passed. see. Water is still hot, y'all. So it's 30 minutes. I definitely don't want this any pinker. It's definitely a pretty fuchsia pink. So I think it would look nice on me. It's just, I really was going for like a petal pink, which I should have got the petal pink, but I couldn't find it. So I just, you know, I thought that I could kind of dilute it, but it's okay, guys. I'm just gonna make do with you, baby. You know what? I'm gonna make it do with you. So this is what it's looking like. Okay. Looking like this. The water is extremely hot. It's getting very much fuchsia. Okay, guys, so I have my top actually dangling down in the kitchen. In the kitchen, it's a little ghetto, but yeah. So it's very, very pink. Okay, it's very, very pink. Off camera, it's giving, like in person, it's giving a fuchsia magenta, but on camera, it's giving a magenta over here and a hot pink here mixed with fuchsia. So I mean, it was correct. It says super pink. It pretty much did the job. I did wash it out with cold water. I really didn't read the bottle, what else it said, but I know if you want something to kind of stay and not bleed, you use cold water. So I use cold water. I was thinking about actually letting it sit in water to kind of dilute it a little bit. Okay, so these bands didn't die and these didn't die, and I think that's because these don't, like the inside doesn't, I don't know, but the inside of the corset didn't die, and then it looks like these elastic bands inside of this sleeve didn't take either. I don't know, but overall it looks pretty good. It's still wet, so I'm gonna let it just like sit here for a little bit, and then I'll let you guys see the finishing product, honey. And honestly, guys, this RIT dye is actually easy to use. And voila, guys, this is the top. Okay, if you guys liked it, definitely give me a big fat thumbs up. I did, like I told you guys, I did do a all pink Mean Girls inspired photo shoot, and we were in like an all pink spot. So if you guys want to see how I made the bottoms, which is the pants, definitely click the link in the description box. It will have the link to the Louis Vuitton pants that I made to go with this top. But as you guys could see, when it dried to a beautiful hot pink. It was just very cute and I loved it. I was so proud of myself, guys. As you can see, it photographs well. It looks great. The pants look good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tag me if you decide to do this color.
Bitch is gonna be mad when I pull up in that chat. Snakes on my back, but never on my